Hello Car Crew, RRRabbit here with another episode of Traveling with RRRabbit China 2025. This is day 7 of the adventure. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming episodes. Let's get started. I'm at Chifudong High-Speed Railway Station, where I will need to check in 15 minutes before the departure time, which is at 1:53 p.m. China time, heading to Beijing Nan Station.
Much later.
So I checked into my hotel at Beijing. So as you can see, I'm in my hotel room. I couldn't talk on a high-speed train, but I did take the recording of the speed of the train, which is a bit shaky, the footage, because the train was going very fast, so hard to keep it stable. So I'm very sorry about that, so please bear with me. So I put my bags away, and I need to set up a little bit before we head out to explore a little. Okay, so we're heading out to explore. I need to take my hotel card, so I'll be able to get in later. Okay, so we need to walk for 25 minutes, so let's head to the Asus store if it's still open.
"20 minutes later."
So I found the Asus store, but I didn't find the item I was looking for, so we're heading to Cheesecake Factory. Okay, so Cheesecake Factory is the first time for me, so let's set up the GPS.
"15 minutes later."
Okay, so I'm at the Cheesecake Factory. This is the menu. So let's see what's on the menu. So first page is alcoholic drinks. sure what to order.我是第一次来，我不知道你可以建议平时很多人订什么菜，我是第一次来，订烧。
我们这卖的很好的话，有这个虾和鸡肉的海鲜烩饭，它有一点点辣，可以接受。
哪个不辣的？
你要不辣的。可以尝试一下这个鸡肉3香柠檬奶油意面番茄肉，这两个都是不辣的，然后卖的都挺好的。其他的我再给你推荐一下。这边有这个驰名肉饼和牧羊人派，这两个都是牛肉，然后这个是炒的，这个是那个肉饼，这个香料味会稍微有点重，但是不辣，这两个不辣。
这个多大呀？
挺大的，是个主食。
一个人能吃完吗？
不太确定你们能不能吃完。对，反正肯定是够吃的，而且你吃完这个之后应该吃不下别的了。对，因为我们家量比较大。
给我大概少一点，就是
你看你想吃个意面或者是吃个汉堡包都可以，披萨也有。
汉堡包你推荐哪一个？
汉堡卖的好的话有培根、美式、蘑菇、BBQ， 这几款都卖的很好。对，然后这些都是不辣的，顶多就是里面会有一些洋葱，你要介意的话可以去掉。
我拿一个那个
美式芝士。要配薯条还是蔬菜沙拉？
薯条吧。
薯条全熟可以吗？
什么？
全熟可以吗？
全什么？
汉堡的肉饼全熟。可以。有忌口和过敏吗？
什么？
忌口过敏，就是不要辣的。
我就不要辣的，我加过。
需要餐前面包吗？
什么？
餐前面包。
什么餐前面包？
餐前面包。面包。
你说单独？
对，免费都可以，一个定时。来一份吧。
来一份吧。
好的。
谢谢。Okay, so I've ordered Americano burger, so we're waiting for that, and she asked if I wanted a loaf of bread, so I asked for one loaf, so let's see our experience, shall we? ready here. This is came along with some butter. It's cute and crunch. Here's some melon. So that they can comes from me. As you can see, this is the Americano burger. I have some rice here, a burger, and some ketchup. So let's have a bunch test of the bread. Very soft. That's very good. It's the Americano burger. And some lettuce, tomato, beef, and American cheese. Quite tasty, I think. Try to demolish this within the next 13 minutes. And I'll talk to you later. With a full stomach, it's time to head back to the hotel and rest up, because tomorrow's adventure is going to be a chill one, as we are going to visit Zhongguancun and explore Beijing streets. That's it for today's vlog, Carrot Crew. I'll show how much I spent from day 4 to today after the outro. Before I wrap up, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and tap the notification bell so you will know as soon as the next vlog drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. RRabbit out.